guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, we got the Jeep here on the lawn, and I figured a great idea for another video this week would be to talk about the mods we got going on the Wrangler. So I just cut the grass, figured why not show it off. This is a perfect opportunity. If you remember, I did talk about the lift kit. It's my most popular video actually on YouTube, so check that out for more details. But I'm just going to go over each individual component here I got on the Jeep, and we are going to discuss exactly what it is, where it came from, and the approximate price. Now, it's been a couple years since I've had some of these items on, so I'll give you the price of when I purchased them. So let's get started. Up front here we have, I think this is a Gladiator grill. Yeah, Gladiator grill. I was fortunate enough to get it painted to match when I bought it, just off eBay. About $99. Didn't have to relocate anything. Came with the rubber strip here for the hood to rest on it. It's a nice touch. Really makes the angry eyes pretty appealing. The LED headlights and fog lights, those are both by Sunpie. These have built-in turn signals, so when you're driving, they will illuminate blue LED, and then when you're turning, they'll flash. The grill ran me $99, and the headlights and fog lights came as a pack for $150. Next is the Smittybilt X2O Winch. I got this a couple years ago. I actually have a video of unboxing and installation of this winch, so check that video out in the description below to get more information about that. But 10,000-pound winch. Came with the hook, fair lead, roller fair lead, and the bug deflector. I forget I have this, I'll be honest with you guys, because this actually came on the vehicle. I feel like if I took it off, I would definitely notice something was wrong, but I don't know what it could be, just because it's so subtle. Maybe because it blends in with the color. But yes, this is a bug deflector. This came on the Jeep. I would say this ran me, shoot, $20. You'd probably get it anywhere, even at like at Advanced Auto Parts or something like that. Great little feature there. Doesn't really reflect bugs because my Jeep's all dirty anyways, but it's a good little accessory for looking sweet. Lashes. Daystar. You ever have that infamous hood flap while you're going down the highway and it looks like your hood's about to fly off and your spouse is having a freaking panic attack because you know your hood's gonna fly up and probably kill you guys? Well, that was remedied with these Daystar Daystar hood latches. These things are great. Ran me not even $20. $20. Daystar's website. Comes as a set, comes with new hardware here on the sides, and I'll tell you what, they're pretty aggressive to get on. When I first had to get these bad boys on, it took the strength of God to get them on. I'll just tell you, but they're strong, they look factory, and that's what I like about them. So you just, very loud, engaging snap. We have the Barricade Extreme front bumper. One thing I do like about this front bumper is the fact that the fog lights are moved to the sides versus on the inboard side, where they'd be by the fair lead. This ran me $400 off Extreme Terrain. Alright, moving down. The suspension I covered again in another video. The drag link here. That is a Synergy drag link. It's not flipped. It's a stock configuration. The ball joints are the Terraflex greasable ball joints. I just did these. You have your two grease air zerk fittings at the bottom here. Makes the ride incredible. Again, the suspension video is on my page, so feel free to check that out. Sit! He's just excited. Say hello. Say hello. No, I said... Brady, say hello. Good boy. Say hello. This antenna, it's flexible. It's a stubby antenna. It actually came on the vehicle. However, it is a good addition. Goes out with the black look. This I've seen online goes for $15. You can get it at eBay. These steps are by Smittybilt. These ran are about $300 for both sides. They do have 2 and 4 door versions. All right, moving into the tires. The tires are a 35 1250 by 17 BF Goodrich KM2. These tires have been out for a long time, and I've had them since December of 2017. And look at the tread. Look at the tread. Plenty of life on these bad boys. Here's the spare. Top of my knuckle. Gone down just a little bit, but still tons of tread. Great tire. You get what you pay for. A set of 5 ran me a little under $1,400. The wheels. These are fuel hostages measuring 17 by 9. The backspace is a -12. I'm sorry. The offset's a -12. The backspace, oh gosh, I forget off the top of my head, but it gives it a solid stance. Clears the fender just a little bit. These are also by SunPie. These are LED. I have seen blacked out version of them, but this is just the regular. So all these lights here are just regular LEDs. These perimeter lights on the outside, those are the actual brake park lights. These are just the driving lights, and then here are the LED reverse lights, and this is simply a reflector. The pair cost me $50. Continuing on with the rear, this is a Rampage Industries rear bumper and tire carrier combo. If you notice, it does have 2 built-in lights. The lights are not provided, but these lights are the ones which are able to be purchased separately for this bumper. I have these wired as reverse lights to help assist with the LED reverse lights. So when I put the vehicle in reverse, those lights illuminate and help give me a better vision. Additionally, this is a pivot system, so when you open the rear tailgate, right, it's attached as one using this Heim joint right there, and when you open the door, it adjusts and allows the tire to be opened with the tailgate. And I will say, if I wanted to do another rear bumper, I probably wouldn't do this one. I'm gonna give you the honest truth about this one, guys. You can see already there's a good amount of surface rust that's formed into much more. So probably we'll have to sand it down and repaint it. I've already had to do that for this side here because here you can kind of see another piece of it starting to form. But this is a great rear bumper. I have impacted it when going wheeling before, and it has held up. However, I would definitely want to get another bumper. But if you are into this setup, tire carrier and bumper combo, I did purchase this again off Rampage. is a Rampage Industries off Extreme Terrain. I paid $500 for the entire setup. D-rings were included. Since we have it open, this is part of my audio system. Ignore the bungee cable, I just have it there for fun. 12-inch Kicker Comp R subwoofer. I removed the factory one. That's what that wiring's for. And then this is the Kicker CXA6001. It's perfect for what I need here. Not too much bass. I actually have it wired through the carpet behind it. So I have the amplifier pushed out using a fuel line on all 4 spots. And then the wires, the carpet is cut in the center behind this amp, and the wires are fed through so it looks clean. This setup here ran me $600. The amplifier and the subwoofer and the wiring kit. At least during this year, 2008, I think to 16, they didn't have fuel caps. So definitely a good add-on. Ran about $35. I've looked online. Pretty easy to install. The soft top is the Best Top Trek Top NX. This is the Glide, or I'm sorry, not the Glide. Yes, it is the Glide. If you notice, this system has a cable right here. So when you flip the top back, it actually has a spring which helps keep it tight on the top. And the reason why it's called the Glide is because the top, instead of a zipper, it slides in and out your side windows. Great little add-on. Great feature. You can just slide the rear window out and just zip down the sides. So the Best Top Trek Top NX Pro or NX Glide has 2 overhead compartments here on that side as well. And then the system of which how this works is super easy. Best Top really outdid themselves with this because they made it so easy. You could do this. They say you can do it while you're rolling, but I've yet to try it. So simply push up and it folds back like that. Underneath you have the support beam, which keeps it from falling through. And then additionally, it's weighted on the top, so it's not gonna go flapping around. And then you simply just reach back and you can just pull it right over like that. 1, 2, and you're done. Simple, 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 simple. The Best Top ran me $750. Moving on to the interior of the vehicle. This is a Pioneer touchscreen unit, the AVH120EX. Oh, I'm sorry, the 2001EX. This is your basic double din touchscreen. It's got your basic stuff. It's got your Bluetooth. I usually just hook up my phone because it does act as a charger, so I'll just hook up my phone and keep it over there. I have it wired. I have it locked, but I have a switch to where it can bypass the ability to watch movies while driving. I don't recommend it, but it is wired that way. And then that works, and it sounds really good in combination with the subwoofer. I can't play anything because I don't want to get copyright, but it's a good little head unit for what I need it for. This double din radio, got it from Best Buy. Ran me about $300. Okay, starting to come to the end here. This is the Superchips, originally the Flashcal. This was originally the Flashcal. You can actually pay like $200 online, and it updates this from just a regular speedometer calibrating tool into an actual tuner. So this went from the Flashcal to the Flash Pack. I made a video on this I think it was my first ever video on my Big Head Wrangler channel. So I go into pretty much every feature that's involved with this tuner. Right now I have it set on the mileage excess save, and that is probably one of the greatest tunes ever, not because of the mileage, because of the fact that the transmission shifts are very great, and it suits my driving, and I do a lot of highway driving going to and from work. So definitely a good addition. Comes with a nice bag to keep it safe, and because it's an OBD2 and also acts as a code reader, you can hook this up to any vehicle and read all the codes, clear the codes. You can monitor a number of parameters, so definitely a good bang for your buck. I highly recommend this one. This originally was $199 as a Flashcal, and then another $200, making it $400, close to $400 for the Flash pack. There's probably a new version out of it now. I got this in, I think, 2018. Definitely a good buy. The hood. Yeah, everybody loves under the hood stuff. Not so much when it's just a mainly stock motor. Eventually we'll get something under here. All I have really is just the AFE intake. This is nice. I do like how you can seal it off. You have access to the air filter and you're able to clean it. It looks like I'm actually due for a cleaning here pretty soon, but the air filter was provided. This whole system cost me about $150. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was just a quick review. I figured it'd be something really cool to check out. You know, everybody likes to know what's going on in each other's Wranglers, and I feel like I probably missed some. Oh, look at my light. Look at my light. It's starting to flicker. Got to get them replaced. Give me some suggestions on what I should do to replace these headlights. I've been looking online, but I always enjoy some good feedback. So, in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing for more great content. Like the video, share it with your friends, tell your mother, tell your grandma. I don't care who you tell, just get them over here. All right, I'm gonna see you in the next video. We got a lot of updates coming, including what's going on with the 6-liter. I made the video. I can't wait to tell you guys what's going on next. All right,